This is problem 7-95 from section 7.1.6. What interest rate, compounded annually, would you need to earn in order to double your investment in 15 years? So when I hear these words, interest rate and compounded investment, that's kind of talking about an exponential equation. So that is y equals a times b to the x power. Okay? So we know that the a is the starting value, b is the multiplier, and I'm going to plug in x for my years and y is the output. So the best way to solve this problem is to actually plug in numbers. So let's say I have a $100 investment, and I want to know after 15 years, I want it to be $200. So I want to figure out what multiplier does it have to be to work. Okay, so I'm going to plug in what I know. My starting value is $100. My multiplier, I have no idea what that is. We need to find that. My exponent is going to be 15. It's 15 years that's going on, and the output I want to get is $200. Okay? So I need to solve this problem for b. And that'll be my multiplier. Then I'll have to kind of analyze that to figure out the percent of the interest rate. So I'm first going to divide by 100 on both sides to get, I'm getting the b by itself is my goal. So I have 2 equals b to the 15th power. Now I'm not going to use logarithms because my exponent is not a variable. It's just 15. So I'm just going to take the 15th root of both sides. Okay. Another way to write this in your calculator, instead of 2, the 15th root of 2, it's the same thing as if I do 2 to the 1 over 15th power. Okay, so those are the same things, so it doesn't matter which one you want to plug in your calculator. So if I do that, I'm going to get b is worth 1.0473 if I round it off there. Okay, so that is my multiplier. The question asks for the interest rate, or the percent increase or decrease. In this case, it's an increase. So if we were given a multiplier of 1.50, the percent increase is just this 50%. So in this case, our multiplier is 1.0473, but the percent itself that it is increasing is the stuff after the decimal point. So that's just 4.73%, 4.73% increasing. Okay? So I need to look after the decimal point. I'm just going to plug in some values to figure out this problem to see when would my money double. Well, my interest rate would have to be 4.73% in order for it to double in 15 years.